Hey yo, hey guys, we're back in Tinkercad. Yeah. All right, yeah, I'm back already. I just finished the hydroponic thing yesterday, and actually, I should give you guys an update or an important piece of info. The dang thing leaks no matter what. So let me tell you, the the gray one that I printed that you guys saw, that actually only had 20% infill, uh, just to try to save filament, and that one leaked right away. I'm like, oh, whoops. I'm like, oh, I should have printed it solid. Uh, so I actually printed another one overnight, solid, and it was 4 millimeters, nice thick walls. It still leaks. Somehow the water sneaks through. Oh, it's crazy. So I'm gonna have to use a sealant of some sort. I'm gonna either do a spray on or brush on sealant that will be safe for the plants. Uh, so I just wanted to tell you guys that in case you're thinking about making a hydroponic system or anything that holds water, no matter what, it just leaks. Okay. Anyway, okay. We are making a rowboat today. So I'm gonna start making miniatures to like sell to model people, like train set people and stuff. They love blank models to paint and stuff. So I'm gonna start doing little miniatures. All my projects won't be these miniatures, but some of them will, and I think it will be fun. We can make all kinds of stuff because think about it, in a model train set, um, I mean, like, they set up them crazy towns and sceneries, and oh my gosh, like, I could see them needing like every type of item possible. Um, I'm just kind of grabbing stuff to see what we're doing. Um, so the only thing I've made so far is that doghouse. Remember we did the doghouse? I considered that one of the miniatures because you can print that really small. So that was cool. So I want to add a rowboat to my lineup of miniatures. But how do we make a boat shape? Actually, we might be able to do it with these two. Um, well, let's give it a try. Oh, and I have another project I want to start on too. Um, okay, hold on. Let's worry about this project first. Okay, I have no idea if we can make a boat shape out of this. Yeah, I think we can. Ah, look, we made a bullet again. Remember we did a bullet? That was, oh my gosh, that was like in the first 10 episodes. Wow, that seems like a long way away. Boat. Should we actually use like brown? Yeah. Rowboat. Rowboat brown. That's what I like to call this color. Um, okay, I'm just kind of visualizing. Okay, now we got this weird looking thing. Let's combine it. And let's stretch it. The beauty of these very small miniatures is the level of detail. I mean, you want a lot of detail, but certain things you're not going to be able to see because, like right now, I'm printing. Like I printed the dog houses in O scale, which is a 1/48th. So 48 times smaller. Is that what that means? Yeah, 1/48th scale. Um, so it's tiny. One of the dog houses can sit on a quarter. That's how small they are. So you get what I'm saying? Like you don't have to be too fussy about every little thing, if that makes sense. Okay, let's just see if this is even kind of gonna work. So let's cut this off. Yeah, I mean, let's just go for it, dudes. Uh, okay. Ah, okay. Are you guys kind of seeing what I'm going for here? Let's stretch it a little bit. Does it look better? Okay. See, from the top down, we kind of got a rowboat shape. You get what I'm saying? And look, the sides are... And what we would do is just flatten the bottom, of course, which we should do now, actually. So let's lower it. Let's see what kind of profile we want here. Let's turn our movements into our smaller movements. Now, I don't really know. Am I going way too... No, actually, I think that looks better. Okay, so let's go ahead and snip off the bottom. Oh, you know another cool thing about the miniatures? I can print one of these out in like 4 minutes. I'm not even kidding. I could probably print this in 4 or 5 minutes. And so that helps me with these videos. Because, dudes, I can literally just whip this up and we can print it out in like 5 minutes and I'll get you guys the video in like no time. Oh, I just had an idea. Dude, we should do 1-hour challenges where I have to do the design and print and have the model sitting in my hand all within an hour. And then and then within like an hour and a half, I have to have it on YouTube. Oh yeah, that's a cool idea. Wow. See, winter is coming. Or is it already winter? So dude, I'm going to have more time. And I decided I am not giving up on this channel. So I know I don't get very many views on the videos, but all my subscribers are so awesome and people are subscribing. So let's do it. I'm going to keep it going. And it's super fun. I love it. Okay, combine. Okay, so I don't know if this might be a stupid looking boat, but we'll see. Is it a little too wide? What we could do is make this whole thing bigger while we're working on it here. Maybe one of you guys can do a better boat. Let's just keep rolling with it. I mean, we can make a speedboat. Let's just keep rolling with it. I don't think this is too bad. Okay, let's make it hollow. So let's go ahead and do this. I'm going to raise this duplicate up. I kind of want to go back to big movements now. Okay, let's raise that up a little bit so we can see it. And you know what? We're going to hold Alt and Shift. And then we're going to shrink one of these because it'll keep it lined up. See? Ah, I can't believe I used to not know that. Oh, it makes our life so much easier. There we go. And I'm going to be printing really small. So honestly, I need everything. I noticed when you're printing stuff really tiny, it's good to have stuff kind of thick. Or it won't print very good, you know. Let's even go a little bit thicker. You know what I'm saying? See, that seems more thick than like it would be in real life. But when you're printing stuff really tiny, you got to have some sturdiness to it, or it'll blow away in the wind. Not really. Let's just try it like this. Okay, let's just try it. We can always go back. See? Yeah, that's cool. Dude, we're not stupid. We are awesome. Okay, how thick is that? Uh-oh, is that really, really thin? How can we tell how thick that bottom is? Oh, no, the bottom's like the same thick as the sides. Okay, that's perfect. Okay. Yeah, this is awesome. It's easy. Okay, so we want to be able to print this, but let's make it so we got to make it so it doesn't need supports. So you know what? Let's do this. Yes, I got an idea. We got to make benches, but I want the benches to, yeah, this will work. Let's do everything without supports because this is going to be too tiny to do support to have supports. We'll use triangles for the benches, so it'll work perfect. And we will try to add as many details as we can. And we'll just see what the printer picks up or whatever. Is that good talking? Okay, see, look at how easy that was. Should we make it light brown so it looks cool? Okay. Okay, we can snip that off. Do we want them a little lower? I think I'm gonna have 3 benches. Dude, it looks great. It's gonna print just fine too. Lower? How low do you want to go? How low do you go? Okay, let's do that right there. Booyah. We'll have to snip this stuff off. That's fine. Ah, this is fun. Okay, middle seat for the rower. Because the rower would sit here and row. Okay, and now let's do it again. This is awesome. Okay, okay, let's put in the, we gotta add some kinds of little details. See, if I was printing these bigger, I would literally have like the oars connect. Oh yeah, we gotta make the oars. I don't think we'll be able to make the oars connect, but we might be able to, well, let's just do one thing at a time. I feel like we could add some texture to these seats. Like, what if we did cushions? Let's do a cushion. Okay, is this a good cushion? Okay, what we'll do is we'll, let's do a little flat cushion. I think this will add just some extra detail. So let's check it out. And then see if we hit the radius here, we can make it rounded like a cushion. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. I mean, it's a little too tall, probably. See, even something like that, something subtle. Let's see what it looks like. Would we have some white cushions in there? No. Should we just make it brown? Sure, that looks nice. See, it just adds some detail. And I think the printer will be able to pick that up even when it's really tiny. Yeah. I think that's cool. Just a little bit of detail. Oh, speaking of, oh yeah. Okay. Okay, should we do a little cushion? Sure. Check it out, I'm just eyeballing everything. Okay. Okay, there's not, that's good, that's good, that's good. You know what I would like? I would like an, that's going to be a little difficult. I want a a rim around this, because you know, like a rowboat, it would have like a little bit wider rim along the top to keep it sturdy. So that's going to be a little bit difficult, but let's go ahead and just go like this. Okay, I got an idea. Let's duplicate this boat. And let's raise one up and let's flip it over. And oh gosh, this is awesome. Alt and Shift. Hold Alt and Shift. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, let me just see if that overhangs a little bit. No, we need more overhang than that. Gee, do you guys see what I'm gonna do? There we go. And let's shrink it. This is gonna be sticking out too much. Okay, I'm just eyeballing if we have a good rim. Oh yeah, see, we got a good rim. Dude. This is the way to do it. Oh my gosh. It's so awesome when you start to figure out all the ways to cheat. I call it cheating, but it's not. It's just a way to just do it easy. Like, you can do stuff easy. But sometimes you don't think about it, like, until you've done a lot of Tinkercadding. Because look at, watch this. Okay, you ready? Let's just snip this right here. Look at how easy that was, guys. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Oops, we'll snip that back off a little bit. It's a little too long. Oh, well, actually, it kind of looks good like that, though. See how easy that was and how much detail that added? But it is not going to like to print that overhang. I know it's tiny, but let's snip this a little bit. Wow, that was cool. I'm so happy that was so easy. There we go. Okay, group. Love it. Yes. Okay. Awesome. It added so much more detail. Okay. Oh, I wish we could add. We got to add something tiny on here, at least so it'll print. You know what we're gonna do? Some boats have a little domey looking light on them. So let's just make a little knob on here and let's just see if it'll. I don't know if it'll print or not. Like some boats have like a little bit of light on them here. Let's see, should I make it even smaller? It's just got to be a very small detail. Okay, yeah. Let me shrink this top down. Oops. Why is everything always in my way? There we go. Sure. In this case, we probably could center this because I can't really tell if it's centered. It was not. I'll leave that on there for now. I don't know. Yeah, some boats would have like the red and the green on red on one side, green on the other side. Maybe a little taller. Whatever. Let's just leave that for now. Because I'd like to add some little details. Oh yeah, even little cup holders in here would be cool. Well, here, let's first snip off. Oh yeah, we're only at 20 minutes. That's fine. Well, we'll definitely keep this shorter because this is just this is an easy one. Let's snip off Is it? Is this the easiest way to snip these off? Or not? Um, okay. Okay, there we go. Okay, so see, them are being snipped. I'll snip the bottom separate. Um, so see, once you get one of these lined up, you could just hit duplicate and then slide it over. And we'll have to mirror it. So hit mirror and flip it this way. Right? There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, these weren't even sticking through as far. Okay. And let's just go ahead and do it. See if it ruins anything. We won't select the boat, otherwise it'll cut into the boat. But we'll just select this, and there we go. Yep, there we go. See, we're going to snip the bottom off separate. So I'm going to drink some coffee, and I'll snip this off the same way. And we'll think about what else we're going to add. Hey, this is looking great. Ah, we're awesome. Okay, there we go. Let's hit group. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, there was two of them there. All right. Is there a tiniest little piece of it sticking? No. Okay, whatever. Um, I just thought another thing that would be cool, which I don't think we'll do it in this episode, but we could build a trailer for the boat. Wouldn't that be really cool? Uh-oh. Is there a little bit sticking? Oh, no, there's a teeniest little bit sticking out there. And right here. Oh, that's okay. Um, I better not select the whole thing then. Here, I'll just select the benches. Okay, there we go. And group. Okay, I'll snip off them. Wow, you wouldn't even be able to tell, but I'll snip off these little pieces. But I won't make you guys watch that. Okay, let's get going here. We got to do more stuff. Okay, how about let's make the little mounts for the where the oars would be. And we have to do this so it let's see, how would we do that? Okay. Because the oars usually stick in like holes. So let's stretch this up and make it small. Some things could be a little oversized, just like from real life, just so they actually show up. Oh, goodness. My perspective was way off. We're going to have to cut this top off flat. Let's just see if this would work. Because, see, you'd be sitting with your back facing us. Yeah. And we see, the reason I made it a cone is because... Yeah. This might be okay. We could actually make this so if we printed it bigger, it would actually work. Like the oars would go in it. Let me see if this is slightly oversized. That's okay, but let's go like this. Okay, let's cut this off flat because this would not be at this weird angle like this. I do like that it's slightly above because it'll add a little bit of texture. See, this will print fine because see, it's like this. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Yeah, that's awesome. And then see, that would be like, you know, I don't know if it'd be metal. What would it be? Sure. Oh, of course. It's awesome. And then see, you would just have a hole in here, which we could also do. Can we? Oh, goodness. This will be too tiny. I don't think it'll print the hole, but well, let's just check it out. Why not? In case we print this bigger sometime. I mean, honestly, the hole could go all the way through it, even. Or would that be goofy? We could have the hole go all the way through it in case we want to use, like, actually attach the oars. Like, if you printed this bigger, you know, you could actually attach the oars. Or would it look better if it didn't go all the way through? Come on, guys, what should I do? I think we should have it so it goes all the way through. It might not even, when we print it super tiny, there's no way that hole's going to print anyway. But it's there if we want it to be. Okay, so let's slide one of these over. And we'll mirror it so we don't have to do anything fancy. And see, instead of using the ruler, I just look at this one. See, it's just a tiny little gap there. And a tiny... Well, which part was the tiny gap? And why does this look like it's sticking up higher? Wait, let's go back and look at the other one. Oh, I see. That is kind of sticking out a teeny bit. Okay. It's fine. Don't yell. No reason to yell. So should we have it out just far enough so it doesn't... Let's make sure it's good here still. Yep, we'll have it in just far enough so it doesn't stick out. There. Okay, another thing done. See, we're starting to get details. Ah, this is awesome. Okay, I got to do the little snipperoonies. Okay, we still got to do some paddles. I think we should do a little... I'm going to do a little cup holder. Should we do little cup holders? Or not? I mean, in my rowboat, I had a cup holder. There's pole holders. Some of this stuff is going to be too small. Let's just make the oars. Well, here, I'll stare at it for a second and drink some coffee. Coffee break, everybody. Okay, let's... I'm not going to do any cup holders right now. Let's just finish this up and print one out and see what it looks like. So we got to make some oars. These oars are going to... I hope it can print the oars. You know, because they're... Am I going to have to make them slightly oversized? Is this a good shaft size? Or shaft? No, it is not. So I might have to make them like a little bit oversized. See, kind of like some of these details are like a little bit oversized. So an oar would have a skinnier handle part, but that will make it print weird. Well, let's just put a paddle on it. Why them boxes are always in my way. Let's see if this works good to put like a, just like we made the cushion. Can't we? Because see, once again, we can use the radius thing to round it. Is it supposed to? Yeah, actually, that's that's pretty dang good. I'll probably drop the whole thing a little bit so it's connected. Is that what an paddle looks like, or are they supposed to be shaped better? Are they more shaped like a triangle, you know? I feel like it should be shaped a little better. Okay, let's drop it down a little bit. I want a good connection point to the bottom. Well, here, it looks weird. This color is throwing me off, so let's make it brown. Like, I think that's good. Or should we like I think it might look weird if we cut some angles in it because it won't be rounded anymore. Let's just see. I guess we could check it out. You know what I'm saying? Is it supposed to be more angled like this? Okay, I guess we could check it out. Okay, I like that. So let's duplicate it and mirror it. Oh, where'd my buttons go? Okay, I better hurry up because this is 30 minutes now. Okay. Let's just eyeball it. I think. I don't mind eyeballing stuff. Close enough. We always had an ongoing joke. We had this girl that worked at my pizza place I used to work for, and she would just say, "Close enough." We'd be like, that person ordered a meatball sub, not an Italian beef." "Oh well, close enough." So it was just funny. We'd be like, "Oh, they ordered a 2 liter of soda and you gave them a glass of water." "Close enough." Was that story stupid? Ah, whatever. Oh, what? Oh, well, we have to cut off the bottom. I don't know. What do you guys think? I guess we better cut the bottom off and we'll decide. I guess it looks pretty cool. I guess it looks better, actually, probably. Close enough. You could say that when you are for your partner's anniversary. You're like, "I wanted a diamond bracelet, and you got me onion rings." Close enough. Okay, come on now. This is just an oar. Group. Hey. Ah, that's good. Now, see, well, maybe we can do it. Technically, oh, now this is grouped all together. Darn it. So there would actually be a skinnier handle part. Whoops, why'd I stop like that? Let's just do an experiment and see if that is something that we want to do. or not. Sides, segments. Oh, bevel. Is that bevel the end? Oh yeah, that'd be nice. Okay. Let's make this a little smaller. And but see, we wouldn't be able to have it centered because I want it to be flat. Ooh, I like it. Let's go to brown. Oh, we have to. We have to. We have to. Oh, I just thought of something else too. Okay, well here, let's finish this first. So you get what I'm saying? I'm just gonna not where you like in real life it would be centered to this, but what we're gonna do is just cheat a little bit, and we're gonna have it just like that. Let's snip off that bottom. Yeah, we can have everything connected there. Okay. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, okay, yeah, that's awesome. So, but then there would be like a ring. Oh, gotta grab another one of these. So see, where the oar would attach, there would be like a ring around here. So that'll add us some more detail, which will be cool. Geez, it's 36 minutes. I can't edit. I don't want to edit too much out either. Oh well, we're almost done. Okay, let's look at this. We want a little ring-a-rooney. Okay, and then see if we actually wanted it to function. Oh, you know what? I might print that. I might. Oh no. Never mind. Never mind. Okay, let's make this lighter. Actually, that would be like the. That would probably be metal also. Okay, yeah, cause see, and then this would have like a little pin that stuck out that sticks into here, and that's how you roll. Not sure if this would be a little farther this way, maybe. Okay, but there's no way it's gonna, when I print this small, I'm not even gonna add the pin because the pin is not going to print. It would be too small. Okay, so, oh, you know what? We're almost done. Wow, this looks pretty good, don't you guys think? Or am I tripping? What am I doing? There we go. Let's just make our little. We got our 2 oars. There we go, guys. Yeah. USS. Are we supposed to name our boat? This is the Tinker, the Tinker Runner. I don't know. Oh, this is actually cool. I wish it would look this cool when I printed it. I wonder if I have any brown filament. Otherwise, like when I go to sell these, usually, if anybody would buy this for like $3, I usually just would print stuff in like a gray, like that model gray, and then people can paint them. But I think if I can find some brown filament, I'll print this out, and it'll be done in like 10 minutes, even on like the highest quality. Because I'm gonna print it tiny. It's gonna be like an inch or two. I'll see what the scale would be. I'm gonna do O scale, so 1/48. So I'll figure out the dimensions and print it correct O scale, and let's see what it looks like. Yeah. All right, we'll be right back. Yay, dude! This thing is awesome. Look, it's actually bigger. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. But look at how good these printed. Oh, they're so tiny I can barely show you guys. It even printed all the details. Like, see where it gets skinnier at the top? The boat turned out awesome. So it's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. So this is O scale of what a 12-foot rowboat would be.
So this is 1/48 of a 12-foot rowboat. So, oh, it's so cool. And dude, it's like heavy. It's kind of heavy because I printed it solid. It would definitely float like on water. So I might print one of these and let it float around my fish tank. So, dude, super success. So we're going to add that as the number 2 miniature collection. And that was so fast and easy, we can do another one if we want right now. Okay, hit subscribe because I'm going to be back very soon. Okay, see you guys.